Hello students, welcome to the class. Yesterday we have started our new chapter traveling with the grandfather zoo. In this chapter we have already discussed about three main character: grandfather, grandmother and narrator. So their family going to Lucknow. When they are going to Lucknow, they are taking their pet animal along with them. Once again, I'll give you brief introduction about the lesson. Grandmother's pet animal parrot. It names Pope, and grandfather pet animal is tiger. Its name Timothy, and narrator pet animal is squirrel. Its name Chips. In those days, in India, very less people used to travel in the train, so many creature can travel in the train. So here all their pet animals also traveling with them in the train. Grandfather received first class compartment in the train. Timothy took all his seat, but he did not disturb any passenger. He behaved well and he did not break any railway property. He did not shout at the coolie. He did not steal any things from the vendors. So all the passenger liked Tiger's behavior throughout the journey. But beside grandmother pet animal was parrot. It was bite TTR ticket inspector, two fingers and ears. And narrator pet animal was squirrel. He was felt this train was paradise, and the squirrel was running from one compartment to another compartment. Narrator was feeling hungry, so he tried to eat something, and he asked his grandmother that what she made for them. So grandmother told that she prepared for them ham sandwich, boiled egg, a roasted chicken, and gooseberry peanuts. Till this much we have learned yesterday, and now we shall begin page number 13. Let us go and we shall study what is after he got surprised. When he opened the tiffin box, narrator got a surprised. What was inside in the tiffin box? Let us we shall study and come to know what was there inside. When he opened the tiffin box, he found grandfather's pet animal, python. Grandfather left his python in the home, but the python itself came inside the tiffin box, and it had managed to struggle itself into the tiffin basket. After grandfather asked to narrator, "What are you looking in the tiffin box?" So narrator saying, "It is python inside the tiffin box. It ate a full of our dinner," which means the python finished all their dinners. After hearing about the python, grandfather got surprised and joined with the narrator. They saw the snake which was in the tiffin box. But the python cannot chew, it only swell all the items. The python was finished their dinner: roasted chicken, boiled egg, ham sandwich, but there were few apple was remaining which the snake was could not eat. Okay, I hope you all are understand this much, and tomorrow we shall continue this chapter through our online class. Thank you.